Yes, you can set alerts on Metatrader 4, and they are useful when you want the platform to notify you when price reaches a specific level without needing to watch the chart continuously. On MT4, alerts are managed through the terminal window. If the terminal is not visible, open it from the View menu or use the shortcut Ctrl and T. Once the terminal is open, move to the Alerts tab. This is where MT4 stores the alerts you create, including price alerts linked to a specific market. A simple way to create an alert is directly from the chart. Move your cursor to the price level you want to monitor, right-click on the chart, move to Trading, and select Alert. Metatrader 4 will place an alert marker on the chart, usually shown as a small arrow on the right-hand side near the selected price level. From there, the alert can be edited in the terminal window. Right-click on the alert and open its properties. This is where you can choose the market, the condition, the value, the action, and how often the alert should repeat. The condition is important because it tells Metatrader 4 exactly when the alert should trigger. For example, you can set the alert to activate when the bid price is greater than a selected level, or when the bid price is lower than a selected level. This makes it suitable for monitoring breakouts, pullbacks, support levels, resistance levels, or areas where you may want to review the market again. The action controls what happens when the alert is triggered. In most cases, a sound alert is enough because it gives you an immediate notification while the platform is open. Metatrader 4 can also be configured for other alert actions, depending on your setup, including email or mobile notifications, but these require the correct platform settings to be configured first. It is also worth checking the expiry time. If the alert is only relevant for the current session, you can let it expire later that day. If the level remains important for longer, the alert can be left active for a wider period. Once the alert is created, it remains visible in the Alerts tab, where it can be modified, disabled, or deleted. This is useful when market conditions change and the original level is no longer relevant. Used properly, alerts help reduce unnecessary screen time. Instead of watching every price movement, you can define the levels that matter, let Metatrader 4 monitor them, and then return to the chart when price reaches the area you want to review.